Welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial we're going to talk about Microsoft Outlook and how it has changed over the years. It's been a very long time since I've done some Hotmail / Outlook stuff, but this is a neat little trick that you can do with your Outlook inbox. Now Outlook has come out with a focused and other inbox, and sometimes important emails go into your other section of the inbox and you don't know what's what and where's an email gone, or sometimes you're looking at your focused inbox and it still says that you've got some unread messages and you're going, where's that? And you don't really realize that you've got your focused and other inboxes. Now in this video tutorial we're going to show you how to have the one inbox. We're going to show you in the web version, and we're going to show you in the classic Outlook version as well. So there is another Outlook, which is the Outlook app, but basically that is the web version. What the differences are basically is the classic version, if you've used Outlook in the past, has the PST file, which actually stores your whole mailbox in one file on your hard drive, which takes your space. Whereas when we use the web app and the website itself, there's no storage taken that way. So back to what we're going to do here, and we're going to talk about removing from focused and other, so we'll just have the one inbox. What you need to do here is go into view settings. This is via the browser, and then in here you've got focused inbox. Don't sort my messages. Just click there, hit save, and then click out. You'll have one inbox right there, so you can see focused and other has gone. If you want it back, come back in here and click sort messages, hit save, click away. You've got them both there. Now going into the app, it's the same sort of thing. This is the app on Windows 11. Again, view settings, and the settings are there. On the classic Outlook, if you go into your classic Outlook, again go under view and then go to show focused inbox, untick that, and you've got all and unread. So it's got one inbox, but you've got all your messages and your unread messages. So if you want focused inbox, that's your focused inbox, and that's how to remove it. That's how we do it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.